everybody, it's Chris. I want to give you a channel update today, and the themes are dragons, axes, bows, and boots. So let's start with the dragon chair. As you can see, it's all done, and it turned out better than I ever expected. And so there's going to be a video, about a 5-minute video coming out that just talks a bit about it, how I did it and why I did it. And then I'm going to do a longer how-to version. And then I'm going to take this on the road for an interview series called Hot Air from the Dragon Chair. And that's where I'm going to go to interview other YouTube creators, either go to them or they come to me, and just talk about their channel and talk about them and tour their shop. And I've already done 2. I've done Jimmy DiResta.
And then I had a big meeting. I got contacted. Hey, can you come into NBC in New York City? We have want to have a big meeting with you. And I sat in a meeting with a big projection screen in front of me, and everybody on the screen was in LA. I was in New York. That's the first movement I've gotten. You got it on camera. Oh, baby.
And I've done Jesse Savage from Savage Forge.
Perfect.
What could be better?
You want your sign?
Hot Air for the Dragon Chair.
10 bars of steel to keep trying it until I got better. And that was it. Like, I was like completely hooked.
So a lot more coming on the Dragon Chair, but you should expect those videos coming out soon. The next thing is axes. So while I was with Jesse Savage, we made an axe together. It was awesome. It was like a bucket list thing. I asked him for a carving axe, so he made up my specifications, and it turned out great. And so I have a video, a detailed DIY video, how to forge an axe, which I made with Jesse. And then I had to use it, and so I used it to carve a bow. I actually failed once spectacularly. And then I did another one, and this one actually has a black silk tie on it and a hickory backing on the hickory bow. So again, I used the axe to carve the bow, and so you'll see a video coming out about that as well. And then in addition, I'm going to do a video on how I did the bow in detail. And then the other thing you're going to see more of me, which you've seen already, is some really long videos. So people have questions about the technique and other things, and so what I'm going to start putting out is, when all the detailed videos are done, are the long versions where I do no editing, and they're typically 1.5 hours to 2 hours long, where you just see me doing woodworking. Now, some people might find that relaxing, and so you may want to just skip through it or just sit there and enjoy 2 hours of wonderful, calming, relaxing woodworking sounds. Now the last one is boots. So I've been doing this for 10 years on YouTube, and I finally signed my first endorsement deal. I had received many offers over the years, mostly not serious offers, like somebody wanting to give me a laser light or a 3D printer, and I'm thinking to myself, you clearly don't watch my channel because I don't use electrical power tools. So I signed with Cat Footwear. We started working this about a year ago. They gave me a pair of boots to wear. I love them. They're comfortable, they're supportive, they keep me safe, and they've been great. And so you'll see me doing a number of events with Cat Footwear, a couple of videos. But what I like about it the most is that I get to give back. And so I'll be participating in some fundraisers with Cat. So I want to let you know that I'm going to be in Chicago this coming Saturday, October 6th. So I'd love if you guys could stop by. Obviously, we'll be in Chicago with the greatest NFL football franchise in history, the Bears. So I'd love if you could stop by. We can talk football or woodworking or whatever you want. I'll bring a bunch of stickers. But I'm going to be at the Rebuilding Exchange on Saturday, October 6th, from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And while I'm there, I'll be carving a sign, but I'll have plenty of time to talk. And this will all be in the description section below, but it's 1740 West Webster Avenue, Chicago, 60614. And what this event is, we're going to be building office equipment for not-for-profit organizations. So we're going to be trying giving back, because there's a lot of people that give back at not-for-profit, so we want to help them out. So there'll be people building desks. I'll be carving a sign for their office to help them out, and building desks as well. You can either sign up to participate, and there'll be a link in the description section, or again, you can just stop by to say hello. So please come by Saturday, October 6th, Chicago. Love to see you. I also want to let you know that Cat Footwear sent a film crew and they spent 2 days at my house and they made a very nice documentary. I eventually put it on my channel, but I encourage you to go to the link in the description section and check out the link. It takes them to their website. You can see the documentary, some other information on me. It's just like 3 minutes, but they did a nice job. They made me look 25 years old and buff, so it's amazing what lighting, the right lighting can do. So lots of great videos coming on dragons, on axes, on bows, and a few things on boots. And I'd love to see you in Chicago this weekend. Thank you.